Any web application you create typically tends to have user interaction, and when user interacts with your application, events are fired. For example, mouse click, mouse hover, changing event. Application must handle such event and execute the necessary code. So, handling event with React element is similar to handling event on DOM element. So, React events are named using camel case rather than lowercase. And with JSX, you pass a function as the event handler rather than a string. When using React, you generally don't need to call add event listener to add listener to a DOM element after it is created. Instead, just provide a listener when the event is initially rendered. So, event handler is one of the most important concepts in React. So, go to VS Code. Let's look event handler in first functional component. Let's make one functional component. Click dot JSX. So, in first line, import the React. Then function and name of the function, that is function. Let's make click. Function click. Inside this we return the HTML. So let's make one button. So to pass the event, React event are named using camel case. So make one button and pass the event that is on click with camel case. So inside curly braces pass the name of the function, and in the React we can make function inside a function. So function and name of the function, then we console.log in the button click. So go to browser and inspect the element. So click, button click, it working. So let's make one another functional component and another class based component. So go to component, new file, class click, classclicks.jsx. Then import React. From React. Then class, name of the class, class clicks, and inside this class clicks extend react.component. Inside this render, inside render we call the return. So inside return method, let's make one of div tag. Inside div make one button and pass the on click event. On click equals to this dot handle click, handle click. Then pass the click me, click here. Then export default class click and import it on the main component. So class click. Then to define the function in the class click, go up of the render method. Then handle click, inside this console.log button clicked. So go to browser and look the changes. Class click nothing but written from the render. So class clicks. Go to the browser and look. Let's remove this. Let's refresh this and inspect to watch the changes. Click here, button click. In this way, we handle the event in functional component and class based component. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.